The Southwest District is a home to about 800,000 residents. As a local administrator of the district, the Southwest CDC built social capitals through A, B, and C. A for assisting the needy, B for bonding the people, and C for connecting the communities. The Southwest CDC adopt a many helping hand approach. And by building on partnerships, we are able to multiply the resources to meet the needs of the community. We believe in working as one to achieve our visions of owning the community where everyone, every organization have a role to play.
The collaborations with Southwest CDC instills a sense of pride among our staff, as we as a company is contributing to the society and making a positive impact. Partnering with Southwest CDC has been a meaningful journey for us.
The Southwest CDC helped the less fortunate through job matching and social assistance schemes. Corporate partners can work with us to roll out meaningful programs that make a positive difference to their lives, such as regular food distributions, providing job vacancies, or sponsorship in cash or kind to help them to cope with their living expenses.
The youth today are definitely the future of Singapore. As an organisation, we feel that it's important to engage the youth, to contribute and to assist in community building and bonding.
Different organisations, they probably have different strengths and skill sets. And I think it's how to harness this skill set towards achieving a social cause that is beneficial to the society at large.
There will always be projects or programs or activities that a corporate partner can do. The Southwest CDC will work with the corporate partners to develop win-win partnerships that achieve their corporate social objectives and benefit the community. This can be conservation of the environment, development of the youth, promotion of the art, family life, and many more.
The collaboration with Southwest CDC has raised the level of awareness amongst our staff regarding our responsibility to society as a company and provided us with a ready platform as we increase our focus in CSR.
Apart from monetary contributions, programs like the Southwest CDC Adopt a Rental Block allows us a platform for our employees to come forward and be involved in the community. In that particular program, they packed food items, they served lunch, and they help the elderly carry the food items to their homes.
To better serve the needs in the community, the Southwest CDC will connect the many helping hands. Corporate partners can complement the partnerships with their strengths and expertise, such as staff participations, ideas, funding, logistics, and venues.
Everyone can play a role in reaching out to the needy and the community.
Within Southwest CDC, they do have some existing platforms where organizations can then fit in accordingly.
I am sure corporate partners will have many opportunities to fulfill their CSR objectives with the CDC.
We also contribute resources such as manpower, equipment that we can make available for community use. Such assistance in kind is also as valuable to the community as monetary assistance.
We believe it's an important part of being a good corporate citizen to be involved in the community. And we're very proud to be Southwest CDC's longest corporate partner.
This is just an introduction. The rest is up to you. Talk to us today and find out how we together can help to make Southwest District a better home for all of us to work, live and play.